It is estimated that $41,500 will be spent for child care and K-12 education for a child to age 17. This number represents approximately 18% of the total cost of raising a child to age 17. What is the total cost of raising a child to age 17? So let's let x equal the total cost. We're told in the problem that 18% of the total cost equals $41,500. So 18% times x, or 0.18 times x, equals $41,500. We'll now divide both sides by 0.18. On the left, the factors of 0.18 divide out, and we're left with x equals $41,500 divided by 0.18, rounded to the nearest dollar, is $230,556. So again, the total cost for raising a child to age 17, $230,556.